Hey guys, welcome. It's Crystal with Wreaths of Circle Creek. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm actually going to be making my friend a wreath. She needs a replacement wreath. She's had her wreath for a little while and she needs another one. And she liked this sign. It says farmland that I love. So we're going to make her a little farm wreath. It's a pretty cute sign. And then with this, I have my wreath frame. It's a 14-inch elevated wreath frame. I actually put my own ties on it. I have some smaller ones that they're not even on the top and the bottom. And I'm using 4 different types of ribbon, so I kind of wanted to even it out. So I'm using my own ties. And I do have a video on how I put my ties on if you want to do your ties like this. I'll link it below. So we're going to do it on this 14-inch frame. I'm going to use this Farmhouse chocolate and cream jute mesh. It's actually very good mesh. So I already have it cut. I cut these at 22 at 16 cuts. So I have 16 cuts. And I did one here. I did the kind of just wanted to see what it looked like. I just did the curl and a ruffle and I put it on my tie. And then let's see. Then we're going to add, I cut 8 of these, kind of the ends that I have. It's kind of the cream or the beige farmhouse one. I had this left from a mesh that I used. So I cut about 8 of these. I'm going to place them every other one once we get this on. And so yeah, so that's what I'm going to be making today. And so if you'd like to stay and make a wreath with me, please do. Please let me know what wreath you're making. I'd like to know. Let me get started. Oh, hello. I didn't show you all the ribbon. So, and I'm going to use these ribbons. So this one's cute. You got the Country Life and Simply Blessed with that deep red and the natural. And then I got the denim blue with the gingham edging to go with that set. And then also a little bit of the farmhouse, the faded denim ribbon. I know it's hard to see with that light. And then I'm going to coordinate it with this one. This is not a bright red. It's more of a deeper, darker red that matches more of the plaid that's in the sign. So I thought that'd be cute. And so, yeah, so I think we're going to get started on that. And just to let you know, if you're looking for signs, I have MDF signs, but I also have metal signs. Right now, in my shop, I am actually running a little sale on the signs. If you buy 2 signs, you get 1 free. You have to use code SB2G1 at checkout, and you will get a free sign when you buy 2. It is supposed to be ending today, but I'll probably extend it. Today is August the 14th. I'll extend it to maybe to the middle of this week. So give y'all time to maybe look. But so yeah, I cut this at 22, and I'm just gonna, with the side that's curling up here, I'm just gonna curl it a little bit. And kind of, let's see, let me count 1, 2, and then I'm just gonna scrunch it, and then curl this end, and kind of keep scrunching it, and then gather it in the middle. Okay, and it makes that little curl in the scrunch. And then we're going to go to the tie. I'm going to open up my tie and then put it in here and just kind of press it down with my fingers. There we go. And pull that out. Let's see. I'm going to try to see if I can, this might be too much. Let me see if that will work. That's a little bit better, huh? Maybe. So I'm going to pull these out. And then these ties, I eyeball. So the thing with this is I can move them around, but they're on there still good. So I'm just going to keep doing that. So I'm going to grab my 22-inch cut. I'm placing it on my mat. I'm going to curl it. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm just going to scrunch it, walking up. Walking my fingers up. And then curl this. 1, 2, 3. And then I got that gathered in the middle. Sorry guys, I lose my words. So if you're watching this, what wreaths are you making right now? I'd like to know what you're doing. You got that? And just kind of pull this up a little bit. I think it's going to be pretty. Try not to make it too big of a wreath. She kind of uses it like an everyday wreath. So hopefully it won't come out too big. I don't think it will. So I'm going to show you again what I'm doing. Oh, try not to. When you curl that too, it curls that edging underneath too. 1, 2. And then just scrunch it up. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. Scrunch it up. Sorry guys, eventually I'll get a better camera setup, but this is what I have for now. So I'm sure y'all understand. And then I'm just going to open my tie and then put it in the middle. And push it down with my finger. I'm pushing it down, and then I'm tightening it. Okay, and I'm pulling this up. It's getting that tie. Uh-oh, let me move my mouse. Okay. So I'm going to keep doing that. I guess what, I'll go ahead and show you, so not cut it, and then we can do the ribbon. So I'm going to keep doing that all the way around. I'm going to do it to my top ties. 22-inch cuts on this, and then you curl it and scrunch it and put it in the middle. And then what I want to do is every other one, I'm going to take my Farmhouse Plaid curls here that I have, and I'm going to place them on every other one. So let me show you. So on this one, these are cut at 14, so 1, 2, and then I'm just going to scrunch. Kind of the same method, and then just curl. 1, 2, and then kind of curl it like that. So you got a little bit of pop of different color in there. Then you pick one. So I'm going to put it in here and open up this tie because I don't want to run out of room here. I'm going to push it down, and then I'm going to tighten the tie. And then curl this back up. And then we have that. And then I'm going to skip this one and go to the next one and do the same thing. I'm going to take this is a good way to get rid of your, you got the ends of the mesh from a project you did, and you're like, what do I do with it? Make little scrunchy curls. These are 14, but you could do 12s and 10 just to give it like a little pop of the color. And then come in here, put it on top, and then push it down in the middle. And 1, 2. And hopefully that will start to look pretty cute. We get it combined with the sign, with a little farmhouse country wreath here. So I'm going to stop the video and go ahead and keep doing the rest, and then we'll come back, and I might go ahead and just put the sign on. I'm sure you don't want to see me how I put the sign on. I have other videos of that. It takes me a little while, but then we can put the ribbons around it. So I'll be back. Thanks for watching. Okay, so got the mesh on, and I got my sign on. Yeah, it's going to be cute. It's cute, huh? That little sign is cute. So I'm just going to put my ribbon in. It's real fluffy. I tried to, here's the back if you want to see the back. So you see where I put the pipe cleaner. And then we're just going to put our ribbons in and just work it around the sign. So we'll start with this one. Let's see. And I'm just going to get lined up and fold it. And then just gather in the middle. And then find my tie here. So they're a little bit hidden now. Let's see. Here we go. And I'm just going to push it in the middle. and then tie it. And then I'm going to fold the end in, and then I can fix my ribbons out. And they come out like that. I hope Miss Natalie likes her wreath. So then I'm going to go to the next one, and I'm going to take the Simply Blessed Fresh Farm Country Life ribbon and pair it with the 1.5 with the Gingham edge denim. Just fold it. It's only for me to find the middle. Y'all probably don't even need to fold it. Y'all do it so much, but it's a habit. So I'm just going to put it in here, push it down the middle. I know it's hard to see because my ties are in there, but what I'm doing is pushing it between the ties, and then I'm twisting the ties together. I'm trying not to twist my ribbon in it, but then I'm going to fold that tie in so it closes it. And then fan these out. And I cut these ribbons at 12, and then I dovetailed them. So they're not too long. So we got our ribbons going. And we're going to go to the next one, find your next tie. And I knew that because of doing the curls and my ties will be shorter, I did one pipe cleaner chocolate brown and one of the light brown, so I know that which one I'm looking for. It helps me when I'm doing that. So I'm going to take my Farmhouse Denim and then this Gingham Plaid. I'm just going to fold it, gather in the middle, and then work it in that tie, in between the tie, and then twist the tie. And then just kind of push the tie in so it kind of closes it off. And then fix your ribbons. Do y'all like farmhouse wreaths or country wreaths? I don't know if this is farmhouse or country. What would you call this? Is farmhouse more of the black and white style, or is that a mix of everything? It's probably more country, huh? So we're going to go to our other tie here, and I'm going to take 2.5 ribbon and the 1.5. Just fold it. And then I got like that. And then here's this tie. I'm going to try to do it this way. I might not. It's going to be hard for me to see. But in between these, make sure I didn't skip a tie. Okay. In between these, I'm just going to take that and then I'm going to twist my tie like that. And I'm going to fold it in so it's closed. And then straighten out the ribbon like that. I'm kind of, I like to curl, so that's what I like about the wire ribbon. You can play with it like that and curl it around your sign. Then you're going to find your next one. Let me just make sure I'm not missing. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that 6? Did I skip one, guys? Nope, I think we're good. And got 6. Okay, good. So yeah. So then I'm going to go to this one. Oh, shake my mouse here. And go to this cute farmhouse denim, the faded denim ribbon. And then just gather in the middle. Oh, not this way. So what am I doing? Getting crazy, huh? Okay. Alright, and I'm going to stick it in the middle. and then I'm going to tie it. And then I fan this ribbon out like that. And then I'm going to keep doing it and come back and lift the camera up to show you this little farmland that I love wreath. So I'll be back. Okay, everybody, here is farmland that I love wreath. I think it turned out pretty cute, like a little country. I can see it with the glare. And so hopefully Miss Natalie likes it. And then here's the back. So y'all can see the back. That's good. I like that mesh. But anyways, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. And please tell me what wreaths you're working on. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all, and I'll see you soon. Bye.